Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change transmission fluid. First, gather your tools, including a drain pan, jack stands, and a 24mm socket for the fill plug. You'll also need a 6mm Allen key for the drain plug and internal overflow tube. Make sure you have about 4 quarts of Toyota ATF-WS fluid and a new transmission filter with a gasket. Safety is key, so wear gloves and eye protection throughout the process. Begin by safely lifting your vehicle and securing it on jack stands. Locate and remove the transmission fill plug, usually found on the driver's side, behind the front wheel. This prevents a vacuum when draining. Next, position your drain pan, then remove the drain plug and the internal plastic overflow tube using a 6mm Allen key to fully drain the old fluid. Finally, unbolt and remove the transmission pan, clean it, and replace the old filter with a new one. After cleaning the pan and magnets, install your new pan gasket and carefully reattach the transmission pan, tightening all bolts to specification. Reinstall the drain plug and the internal overflow tube. Now, using a fluid transfer pump or a funnel with a hose, add about 3½ to 4 quarts of fresh Toyota ATF-WS fluid through the fill hole. This initial fill will get you close to the correct level. To finalize the fluid level, start the engine and cycle through all gears, pausing for a few seconds in each. Allow the transmission fluid to warm up to between 104 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. With the engine still running and the vehicle level, remove the overflow tube from the drain pan. Let any excess fluid trickle out until it becomes a slow drip. Reinstall the overflow tube and fill plug. For more great tips and tools, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.